Sky, land, and people. In the middle of it all is steel. There is a company that gives spirit to the cold stone with the craftsmanship of creating art. In the 21st century, when everything is at your fingertips, there is a digital technology company that presents a new future with the icon of dies, HYTC. The use of steel has brought on magnificent development for civilization. HYTC is a company that makes people's lives happier and more convenient with die technologies for using steel. HYTC first entered the die industry by establishing Hanyang Precision Industries in 2000. By presenting new standards in die technology, HYTC acquired ISO 9001 certification in 2005. It became HYTC Corporation and completed its second plant in 2006. By acquiring ISO 14001 certification and acquiring various patents, including a patent for nozzle die with less deformation, it is leading the new technology developments of the die industry. In 2008, it established an affiliated R&D center with the belief that challenge is the key to leading the future. It is becoming an elite company through constant technology innovations. HYTC, the leader of the die industry, is manufacturing various die products that meet global standards. HYTC's major product line consists of PFC, extrusion die for manufacturing aluminum tubes in automobiles and home air conditioner condensers. With consideration for thermal expansion due to the temperature of the parts and assembled product, HYTC has achieved higher extrusion speed with its unique engineering that maintains a constant level of quality. Gaining recognition for its technological excellence, HYTC is supplying extrusion dies for manufacturing heat exchanger tubes in Hyundai, Kia, Samsung, and Daewoo Motors vehicles, and LG Wison and Samsung Hausen air conditioners. Not being vain about its current progress, HYTC is taking die production one step forward by preparing for tube productions. HYTC also manufactures LED molding dies. The key technology in molding dies, which are used to join LED base and crystal diodes into polymers, is the reflection angle. HYTC possesses the necessary technology to create flat reflection surfaces and various reflection angles. HYTC also manufactures molding dies, which have adjusted illumination intensity of the bed surface to serve as the best air band. HYTC is manufacturing ultrasonic horns using a method that creates strong binds by utilizing the physical expansion caused by mechanical vibration between two adjacent metal surfaces through ultrasonic vibrations. The die material, which is built with special consideration to prevent expansion and deformation due to heat, and the CNC equipment-based processing method guarantee a constant level of quality. Furthermore, HYTC is manufacturing various other die products as well. The winder die, which manufactures small, high-capacity secondary batteries, minimizes the margin between parts production and assembly, improving the quality of the manufactured products using dies. HYTC also manufactures clamp mandrels and round-type mandrels. By standardizing engineering and production, it is supplying affordable winders with improved productivity, and it boasts outstanding quality through total inspection. The die products created by cutting TCP patterns, which are assembled within PDP-FDP monitors, means HYTC maintains a regular vacuum pressure. By improving the user's environment with outstanding low-noise engineering, it is making products better for use over a long period of time. HYTC is also manufacturing embossing dies, which bind jelly rolls, a part of secondary battery products, and progressive dies, which bring together multiple unit processes into one simple process. Through leading technology developments and quality inspections from customers' point of view, HYTC is securing itself as the leader of the domestic die market. HYTC is making constant technology and infrastructural investments to become a world-leading die manufacturer. HYTC possesses ultra-high precision, high-speed processor, YASDA, wire discharges, which use discharges to process dies, and profiles used for precision processing of molding shapes. HYTC possesses various other processing equipment to support its leading technology. With advanced information, technology, and endless investments, HYTC takes pride in being Korea's best in ultra-precision dies. With the changes of the 21st century, which is considered the second technology revolution era, HYTC is achieving constant growth by predicting the future and reinventing itself by securing leading information and not fearing challenges. HYTC has secured a distinguished competitiveness through a consortium with Hyogwang, which specializes in large die products. And it is operating the company in an efficient manner with close collaboration, information exchanges, and leading technologies. The best corporations are created by the people who work for them. Through a reasonable human resources management system, which is achieved by information and knowledge, HYTC has established a creative and collaborative organizational culture. HYTC is preparing for the future with human resources and management infrastructure for the era of digitalization. We live in an era of infinite competition, where corporations must cope with the changing environment and strengthen their competitiveness. By making continuous investments in die technology developments, HYTC is carrying out its management vision to become a global company. HYTC's operational objectives are: first, become a progressive company that challenges the future. Second, become a company of passionate young workers with superior craftsmanship. Third, become an efficient company that can cope with changes in a swift manner. Fourth, become a company that possesses leading technology by developing new technologies. Fifth, offer customized and efficient consulting that lowers costs for customers and improves quality. And sixth, to improve the abilities of workers by promoting creative and independent thinking. A company that values its customers and grows with the customers. HYTC. With the belief that corporations must make aggressive social and environmental improvement efforts for the sustainable growth of mankind, HYTC is creating a new corporate culture for businesses to coexist with society. And it is fulfilling its role as an eco-friendly company under its phrase, "Steel comes from nature and returns to nature." The brightest star in the world is a star that isn't discovered. The most magnificent days of the world are the future we are about to create. A company that aims to be the world's best and dreams of endless innovations. A company that will become the brightest shining star of the 21st century in the name of dies. HYTC.